Hello and welcome to Stockwatch, presented by me, Evan Lucas, for Go Market Securities. As always, please, a very good read through of the disclaimer on screen. Everything in this video is general in nature, none of which is relied upon as any form of personal advice. Go Market Securities does not know your personal scenario, nor your personal financial goals, and therefore none of which is relied upon as any form of advice at all. It is just general in nature only. The BHP of the retail world, Wesfarmers. I need to point this out very clearly. Their strategy day was very, very interesting indeed. Wesfarmers are clearly very much aware that the consumer has peaked. They tell you that very clearly. They're very strong in their views that inflation will be here to remain, that interest rates are going to remain higher than what's most forecasting, and that they are starting to see the pressure coming through in their discretionary side of their businesses. So particularly things like Target and Kmart. Obviously it's now one brand of Kmart itself. Catch, which has been a problem child the entire time. And then you've also starting to see signs of slowdowns in Officeworks and the king that is Bunnings. Which I get back to the BHP point, because clearly what they're also trying to do is always be diverse, always have that spread. We know about their chemicals and their coal division doing all right, but more importantly, their lithium investments, and they are showing very clearly the runway to that is strong. The cash flow that's coming out of their lithium in Mount Gibson, strong, and that's going to happen 25-26. Then you've got the API acquisition. The Australian pharmaceutical industry acquisition last year is now actually providing that fourth pillar, that alluded to idea about what happens around the numbers with BHP. It is clearly going to be their future, and they see that as part of it. The possible acquisitions of the new online scripts business, which is valued at 200 million, all point to this idea that this is their future, that the health future is there, the biomedical future, and the retail consumer in that space. Wesfarmers are an absolute player and have been for many, many years for good reason, and they will continue to be the conglomerate that it is. Watch this space. They are going to develop themselves into making sure that diversified portfolio only gets bigger in areas that you and I need.